Run it. Roll.
So, tell me about your startup.
We recently started a company called MeraEvents.com. Basically, it's an end-to-end portal for events, what's happening around the world.
It's a portal.
It's a web-based portal. It's an end-to-end web-based portal for the events. So nowadays in India, like so many events are happening in India, but finding that information is such a difficult job. So what's going on in my city, what's going on in my industry. So there are so many things that are happening, but finding that information is the difficult part. So this MeraEvents.com is the first Indian web-based portal which does the end-to-end solution for events. It's primarily portal for finding the information, registering online, promoting your event online. So it does an end-to-end job.
How did you identify this particular product?
Basically, when I moved, I worked in US for 9 years, and then I moved back here. I decided to come back to India for good, And the best way to find the information or enhance your knowledge is by attending an event which is in your industry or your area. And 80% or 60% of the times you will find only when you read the next day the newspaper, oh, there was an event happened in High-Tech City, there was an event happened in somewhere else. So that's where you realize, oh, I should have been there in this event. So finding that information was so difficult. That's where the whole idea of why not I create a one which can solve the job. So that's how the idea of the MeraEvents was shaped.
So how easy or how difficult was it to set up the portal?
It's a long journey. Obviously, every startup has a lot of experiences. Primarily, when we started it, we started with the technology, one of the technology, and after 6 months we realized that that's technology not going to work out for this kind of portal. So we scrapped the whole project and then restarted the whole all over again. So then we started with the LAMP technology, which is the main most of the technology which is used for a lot of portals. So which is working out fine right now. Part of that, and also when we started the business, what we think and what really happens in the market completely different sometimes. So we have to innovate in the model on the part of the journey. It should be adaptable to whether it is working out or not. Otherwise, change the model a little bit and then keep experimenting with things.
When was this portal launched?
We launched in October 2009. It's been now close to 7 months. So the kind of response is very good. So there is definitely we found that there is a need in the market. So things are, and then we are also trying to bring some new technologies into the events. When you go to events, it's like you can stop waiting in the long queues. You can just show your receipt and then scan the barcode and then you can enter into the event. So we're trying to bring some new technologies also into that. We're about to release a new product called Poken. P-O-K-E-N, Poken. Basically what it does, instead of exchanging the business card in an event, because you don't carry too many business cards, so you will be meeting a lot of people, it's an electronic social business card where when you poke each other, then the information gets transferred to automatically the other person. It's a small USB device.
Okay.
So it actually carries your information, including your photo, your social media information like
You already developed this?
No, we actually partnered with one of the US-based company, and we tied up in exclusive marketing for India. So we are going to sell under the brand of MeraEvents. So we'll be launching in the market in the next few days. So it's a device, a small USB device.
Can you have a sample of that?
Yes, we do have it. Yeah.
Can I see it before you launch it? Because
Yes, we can. Yeah.
I'm going to write about
Yeah,
it.
sure, we can. We have it. Yeah. So,
I'm meeting you again.
yeah, sure.
So, okay, same question. How difficult or how easy it is to find people, like-minded people, to work for such
So that
startups?
Yeah, startups. The team is the most important for any business to have it. And so I think luckily we got a very good, excellent team for it. It's like you should feel like you should not feel like the person is just an employee. You should find another kind of a founder kind of a mentality that I should work for it. It's like do from heart. And luckily we got a good team, and it's also depends upon the management team, how well you can motivate, how well you are able to inspire your team. So that is also very important. And we do one good thing every day in morning 9 to 5 every day. We do a 15 minutes meeting with all the team members wherever we are on a conference call. So even if I'm in anywhere traveling also, or anybody is traveling, even if they don't reach the office also, they join the conference call, 15 minutes stipulated time, we discuss what needs to be done for today, and we close the day. So that means everybody by 9:20, so everybody knows by 9:30 what they need to do by end of for the today.
So you're just segregating tasks.
So let's say everybody, because when multiple people are there and depending on some work from you, some work from the other person, so everybody understands what is required, what is the priority for today. So all these kind of small things matters a lot. A 15 minutes time which you spend together as a one team and one call will actually make a huge difference for our business. So everybody understand where we are on that day. And every day is a different day, so we start with every day 9:50, 9:05, 15 minutes the call, done. So everybody is right. So like you need to know the good management. It's also important the managerial skills. Important for the business to be succeeded. And see that everybody on the same page.
What if it hadn't clicked?
No, we never had that doubt. See, first of all, entrepreneur need to have a gut feeling of it, the confidence of it, right? So if you always, there is a positive and negative for everything. I don't think unless an entrepreneur is a person like who are willing to take some risk, who are willing to go with the gut feel. Sometimes, yeah, we have also done some market research before we launched the product, and we found that 60% of the people only coming to know about the event information after the event is over. So we have done some research, a background research, and then we also had a gut feeling. And personally, I attended at least 100 events and asked everybody, hey, how do you find the event information? Somebody called me and it's like by fluke, So there's no standard method. So I validated my thought with a lot of people saying before I launch the product, will it work or not? And I had my own gut feeling, so I spent my money, around 40 to 50 lakhs we invested in this product to develop it, to market the product. So all this, it goes, every entrepreneurship goes with the gut feeling. So I think we have done the same thing.
When you started out, what was the strength of your team?
We're still a very small team in this particular, we are a team of 10 people. So we start with 3-4 people and then we are still at 10 people. It doesn't require too many people. We have one designer, one developer, a couple sales people, a couple operations kind of guys. So it doesn't require too many huge people, but it's more of now social media marketing is helping us to get into the viral kind of a thing.
How important is social media marketing?
Oh, nowadays it's like, because all our users are internet users pretty much. Now every internet user is pretty much on the social media network like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter and all. So it's very important. We just made a video presentation for our, instead of we telling about every time what is Mera event, we made a 3 minutes video presentation. We are launching in the product now. So that will help us to populate the product quickly in the social media. So we have 100 fans and then it goes to the viral kind of thing.
Okay.
We made a good video presentation through Hands Video.